Welcome back to my garage. So this is how the magic happens. No, actually that's not magic, that's just the music, which I love as well. Basically we got this R6 today, and also we got something really nice what we received actually after Christmas, of course. It's a carbon fiber mudguard. It goes back up here, so that's the video about. Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this mudguard off. It's still in condition, there's nothing wrong with it, but because I want this actually R6 with lots of upgrades. The videos will come up anyway. You see, this is kind of my project anyway. You see my previous videos, there is part 1, part 2 and part 3. It's coming out part 4. Also review. I got some bad stuff actually about this R6. Two little features which I don't like it, and they definitely have to be changed, but one of them they probably couldn't change because of the money. But yeah, we're gonna change the mudguard. As you see, the casing be changed, basically re-spray and all that. But subscribe me, follow me, you see all videos, not only about this bike. I got loads of bikes in here. That's a 500 CPF AGY or AGF or something like 17 plate Ninja 650 up there, but videos will come up in the future. And let's crack on with this one. Basically simple as that. 1, 2, we got 3 screws coming out, and these 2 little clips. Let me undo these. So yeah, let's take these clips off. You got the camera on one end and the thingy on the second, so lovely. That's just a hose going to your brakes on the back. So basically use your Allen key or the star, whatever you call it. I've used one of these boys in here already and done it, so it should come up nice and easy, which it does. Actually, hopefully that part will fit. I paid decent money actually for it, so lovely. One of the boys off, the middle one. Screws coming up nice and easy. Basically R6 has been built really nice, which I like it. Like I said, there is still the bad things about the R6 before you buy, but the videos will come up. If you follow me, you will see them, and you see actually the bad things about this bike. It's not a lot, it's a lot of things I like about this bike. First of all is aggressive look and engine, super fast for R6. I mean, wow, it's great. But yeah, there is some features which is, before you buy, you definitely have to know them, because you can end up with spending a lot of money. Also basically this little hose holder, we need to take it out as well, and we're going to put back on the new part in here. So let's take these boys off. It's 2 little clips. There's nothing to actually show. It's easy as that. Takes you probably 10 seconds. There we go, this little clip in here. What we do, we just place in here. It goes pretty hard actually, because this is aftermarket, it's not original. But what we can do, take a drill. just make it a bit bigger. Don't worry, nobody's gonna see it. So basically, boom, went nicely in. So now we can place it back on. Okie dokie, so I've got the thingy on and it looks brilliant. I like it. It's easy steps. Sorry, I switched off the camera because it's much easier. Only basically put 3 screws back and put these plugs back in here, and that's it, job done. And it looks pretty cool. Carbon fibre. Let's use the bike. And yeah, thanks for watching. It's just a little video in here, and nothing like well important or some magic in here, but that's another upgrade on the bike, you know. I just want to upgrade this bike like fully, as you see. I upgraded the windshield, the headlights, xenons, the respray, the case. Actually some features in here which I'm going to show you on the next video. And lovely, this mudguard in here is also as well. And the bike looks stunning. So smash that like button, subscribe, you're going to see loads of videos. Follow my channel, I got loads of videos to actually help for some bikes to rebuild or fix the problems, and basically loads of videos. So just following, the videos will coming up. They come slowly, but they're still coming up, you know. They're about this project, about previous projects, bikes I sold, the bikes I buy, how it looks, how much I spend the money. Actually on this one, it's gonna be the cool videos on the future. I'm gonna put a full review about this and what you look before you buy the Yamaha, and it's gonna be very helpful video. So smash that like button and subscribe to see more videos.